In charge, you know. Two of them say them a gang me. Me have 1 foot only for them. See each and everybody though. Each and everybody.
So I links take over. Yeah? So you get it cool looking like I don't know.
So Englishman, say something before you left.
Yeah, man. See, you have this place here, it's different. It's you're gonna have to look around, and here we have villas, private villas. 3 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms. A full ensuite villa with patio, balcony, and also gazebo. Manicured lawns when we're finished. Manicured gardens as we're working on. You got all kinds of fruit trees in there, from mango, breadfruit, coconut, pineapple. We got animals. This is breadfruit right here. We got animals here. There's rabbits. You got the natural livestock. You got killer little dogs. Basically, and we got a nice 5-star, 7-foot to 3-foot pool right here. And a jacuzzi over there on the left-hand side too, that round one. Stone-built jacuzzi you can chill out in if you don't want to take a hot dip. Yeah, man. Welcome to Spyglass Villas and Luxury Suites.
Respect,
We're on the way to the studio now. And another villa. Through here we got mango trees, coconut, palm. We got orange.
Life in a the ghetto. Life in a the ghetto. And just life in a the, yeah. Let me take you through the ghetto without driving you around. The place where a lot of talents can easily be found. The place where ghetto youths are king, cause them deserve the crown. A place where kindness is looked at, weakness whenever it is shown. The place where the communities with most bodies, them busted to be known. The place where politicians take the youth them fear ground. The place where you get the privileges if you're brown. A place where you have to learn to make your bread out of stone. Oh, look into my eyes.